the Broil King Pellet Storage Bin. Top up your pellet grill's hopper quickly and easily with the Broil King Pellet Storage Bin. This durable resin, weather-resistant bin is a must-have for any serious pellet griller. With a comfortable heavy-duty handle and retractable spout for easy pouring, the rigid bin is easier to handle than flimsy bags. You can also open the entire lid for use with the Broil King Pellet Scoop. The bin holds just over a 20-pound bag of Broil King pellets and fits neatly under your pellet hopper. Now line up 2 bins side by side under the hopper and keep your favorite pellet flavors handy at all times. When changing the pellet flavors, the bin also makes emptying the hopper quick and convenient because it fits right under the pellet chute. It's a practical solution that keeps your grilling space clean and organized. The Broil King Pellet Storage Bin. Broil King. Do more with your grill.